Canada's answer to Nazi U-boat sinkings. First films of the Dominion's fast new fleet of submarine chasers in action. Picking up a convoy, they test their new anti-submarine gun. Built for terrific speeds, they cut the water like a knife. Equipped with powerful depth charges carrying higher explosive power, they can blow up or cripple a lurking U-boat in more than twice the area possible a few months ago. Here's a sample. And in 30 seconds, another's ready to go over the side. That, says the skipper, is that.